Personal bookmarks in Power BI are a fantastic way of saving the state of a report so that you can call it up later. Now, what do I mean by the state of a report? Well, it basically means two things. It means A, what page we're on, and B, what slicers I have selected, or maybe even what filters I have selected over here. So let's imagine every morning I come in here and I manually click on bikes and I click on North America. I could obviously, do that every morning. It's not that hard, but it might be nice to just basically have a way to pull that up immediately without having to do multiple clicks. Now, if I only have two things, maybe it's not so bad. If I've got 10 or 15 different slicers, it'd be a whole lot nicer to just sort of save that so I could pull it up quickly. Okay, so let's say that I've got bikes in North America selected right here. I want to be able to save the state of the report so I can pull it up later. What I'm going to do is I'm going to head up here on the top where it says bookmarks. I'm going to twirl that open. And right here where it says add a personal bookmark, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to be able to add a personal bookmark. Personal means that other people can't see this. So if you create a bookmark and somebody else opens up this report, they won't see your bookmarks. They'll only see their bookmarks if they've got any. All right, so what do I want to call this bookmark? Well, let's just call it Bikes and North America because I'm not being very creative. And I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. Okay, so now I've got this bookmark set up. So what I can do, if I imagine I come in here in the morning, right, and I've got nothing selected, and I want to be able to pull up that selection very, very quickly, I can head up here to bookmarks, twirl that open, click on Bikes in North America, and sure enough, it opens up that selection that I had a second ago. Now let's say that I care about bikes in North America, but I also care about clothing in the Pacific. I can also click on clothing, click on Pacific, head up here to bookmarks and create an additional personal bookmark, right? Let's call this one clothing and Pacific. Right, go ahead, hit enter. And now I've got two bookmarks. So when I open this thing up in the morning, right, it's super duper easy to jump to Bikes in North America. Then I can come up here again and click on Clothing Pacific and jump to that. So if I've got sort of a set of selections that I use over and over and over again, I can sort of set them all up in these bookmarks and make it very quick and easy to jump to them. Now, one thing I want to add, I sort of mentioned at the beginning, but I want to just sort of emphasize it. We not only save what slicers we have selected, we also save what page we're on. So if I come over here to a different page, like this filter icon page, and I head up here to bookmarks, if I twirl this open, if I click on Bikes in North America, not only is it going to make that slicer selection, it's going to jump me back to that page as well, right? Which could be very, very convenient. So if you have 4 or 5 different pages and each one has a certain way that you like the slicers, you could set them all up here in bookmarks and jump to them real quick in the morning.